and welcome to Teresa Treats. Today we'll make a very different kind of rasam. Yes, a South Indian delicacy. That is pineapple rasam. Let's get into the recipe. For the pineapple rasam, first we will prepare the rasam powder or rasam podi as they say in South. In a small pan, add 1 teaspoon of ghee or 1 teaspoon of oil, whichever you prefer. Once it's warm, add in 1 teaspoon of Toor Dal or split pigeon peas. Saute it lightly on a low flame. Now once that is done, add in 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, followed with 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Saute all of them until aromatic and lightly roasted. Make sure the flame stays low. We don't want to burn the spices. Now finally, add in a few dry red chilies. I'm adding them at the end so that they don't get over roasted. Just fry them for a few seconds until they turn crisp. The color should not change. Now once we have sauteed everything, grind them into a coarse powder, and that's our fresh rasam podi packed with flavor. Next, I am taking a pan and adding 2 teaspoons of oil. We'll add 1 cup of chopped pineapple, followed by 2 slit green chilies. Pineapple is slightly sweet, so feel free to add more chilies if you prefer a spicier version. Next, add 2 chopped tomatoes and some salt. Saute them for a few minutes until the tomatoes are softened. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. Now I am reserving another teaspoon for the final seasoning. So we will saute all the ingredients together for a few minutes and let this pineapple mixture cook down for a while. And once everything has come together, we'll pour in half a cup of pineapple juice. Allow all the ingredients to simmer so that the flavors come together beautifully. Now once it's cooked well, you can see it. It's little mushy. Now in goes the coarse rasam podi we made earlier. Along with 1 cup of cooked Toor Dal or pigeon peas. Next, we will add some curry leaves. Along with the dal water. Also 1 cup of plain water. Now stir everything together until you can really feel the flavor coming through. Unlike regular rasam, pineapple rasam needs to boil for a few minutes to allow the sweet tangy pineapple flavor to infuse the rasam completely. Cover the pan and cook it for a while. Now I am removing the lid and I can see, my God, the aroma is absolutely divine. I can really smell the pineapple coming through. To finish, squeeze in the lime of half a lemon. This brings the whole rasam to life. That's it. Now for the final seasoning. In a small pan, add 2 teaspoons of oil. Add a pinch of fenugreek seeds. One teaspoon of mustard seeds, The reserved 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic, a few ginger juliennes, and a handful of curry leaves. What we need to do is pour this tempering into the hot rasam. And look at that. Here comes the beauty of the rasam. Our flavorful aromatic pineapple rasam is ready to be served. Our pineapple rasam is ready. This is such a burst of flavors. You have some sourness, some sweetness, some spice, and the blend is so perfect that it's no match to any other gravy. So I'm sure you will try out this recipe and write to me in the comments how you liked it. And as always I say, cook with passion, serve with love. Follow Teresa Treats, like my channel, share my channel and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.